Jay here with another DP20 tech tip, and this one talks about the types of drills, materials, and speeds that you're going to use on the DP20 drill press. As you can see, we have a wide assortment of drill bits on the table, and that's because you can adjust the speed on the DP20 to a wide range of applications. On the bottom end, you've got 60 RPM and you've got 3600 on the top RPM of the machine. And that allows you to use a wide range of bits and a wide range of materials. You can do woods, plastic, metal, and a number of other types of materials. And you might use a bunch of different styles of bits, and they all have their own feeds and speeds that you want to observe to get the best quality of drilling application from the machine. You'll see on here that we've got some hole saws, some grinding burrs. These are combination bits that have a tapered drill bit with a countersink on the bottom. Those are great for doing screws. You'll see masonry bits, some spade bits, step bits, Forstner bits, standard twist drills, even countersinks of different sizes and shapes. And then finally, you'll see some taps over here. The nice thing about the DP20 is you can actually drill and tap with it by using the auto reverse function. You can drill the correct size hole, follow it up with the tap. When it gets to the bottom of the hole that you've set in the depth setting, it'll back the drill bit when you use the auto reverse function. In order to use that function, there's a couple of things you have to observe, and that's the speed control. We talked about the minimum and maximum speed limitations, but there is a speed limitations for using the auto reverse function, and that's so that you don't break a tap. Taps by their nature are very hard and they're kind of fragile due to the deep flutes that are in the tapping section there. And what you'll see here is I've got the drill press set to 800 RPM, and if I hit the auto reverse function, I'm going to get an audible tone, and that's a warning that I'm exceeding the maximum speed for the auto reverse function. We limit that to 600 RPM, and if you were to go to use the auto reverse function at anything above 600 RPM, you're going to hear the audible tone, and it's not going to allow you to go through and to set that into a memory function. What I'll have to do is to go through and use the selector knob and turn this down to 600 or below. You'll hear that that audible warning tone has gone away, and now I can set that into one of the program features. I can use the auto reverse, and I can use it for tapping or for other types of applications. If you have any other questions in terms of feeds or speeds, or you're looking for the right speed for your drill bit, refer to the handy chart that's on the side of the machine. It's also in the owner's manual, and that gives you a starting point for the different types of drill bits. You'll select the type of drill bit, the type of material that you're going to use, and it gives you a starting point for that type of bit and that type of material. You may have to adjust up or down a little bit depending on your specific material that you're drilling or the specific type and sharpness of your bit, but it gives you a good starting point for drill speeds for the different types of bits. If you have questions in terms of any other operations on the DP20 drill press, look at our Tech Tips video at lagunatools.com. We've got a wide selection there that covers every application for the DP20.